one, what's your emergency? Fake traders on the floor, pips bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called, I'm sending you back to your market maker. What you talking about? News, you make me laugh. We got it. Red fold, yellow folder, don't matter. Let's go, it's over. Fake traders didn't stand a chance. It's over, it's over. You can never take from me what I mean today. I was forged in the dark. You fake traders better run from the boat in a park. We gon' take it, trend lines, head and shoulder patterns. Feet up and ashes, you make me laugh. You give my blood the ball for the always. Don't work, come to the winning side. Baby, safety trade system.
All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, I hope you guys aren't tired as I am. I was looking at, I don't know, is it this one or this one? Fuck. One of the charts I was using last night had the wrong fucking, it was, this one was correct. Yeah. This one was correct. But then this one was set on like match, MTCH. Right. So any rate, so apologies. Someone tried to correct me out on who it was, so apologies. Hopefully that is correct. I don't even know how if things went down overnight or were up overnight. I have no idea how that should have went, so we'll have to look at that. Good morning, 6240. Why does it not say that person's name? Who are you? Who am I 1964? I love it. Who am I 1964? Roy Rodriguez. Good morning, Roy. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Oh, I'm tired. Fuck. Went to bed after 2. I got up. You don't even want to know. Sometimes it's just best just to get the fuck up and start doing something, I swear. To Fibonacci. Okay, I think there's some peeps here. Damn. We're already over 20 people. Damn. That's nice. 30, 40. There was a time when we were doing cryptos, the first crypto push back right after, well, technically it was right before Trump, and then right after Trump got elected, which is so stupid. It would have went up regardless if it got elected. But at any rate, and we were getting like 150, 160 people on YouTube. That was awesome. Man, am I fucking tired. I hope to God you all slept better than me. Morning changed my life. Good morning, Lazarus. Good morning, Roy. Oh, man. Good morning, not today. Morning, Sog and Flacco and George and Keith. Keith, what are you doing on, Keith? What's up, Keith Palmer? The Keith Neighbors in the house. I have no idea. Keith, you get more sleep than me? He might have. I don't know. Well, what am I saying these days? Fuck yeah, he did. Good morning, Janet. Everyone, please welcome Keith and thank him for everything he does for us. The great Keith Palmer's in the house. Good morning, Janet and Tariah Edwards and Lachey and Grant and Ken. Good morning, David Wingett. Good morning, Dan Sosa. Smith. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. I can't put Keith. How can I get Keith? Let me see if I can go over. I hate to touch this. If I touch this and it goes bad, I swear to goodness. The safety traders. There he is. Yo, good morning, safety traders. Let me get out of here before it freezes. Okay, back to there. Okay. Good morning, wishing, praying. Love the name, by the way. Good morning, Flacco again, saying the great Keith Palmer. Put some respect on his name, baby. Give me a whole bunch of thumbs up on YouTube because I'm going to cut this fucking thing really short if you don't. I am entirely too tired not to just end this quickly. Keith Good morning, Michelle Glowinski. What's up, Michelle? Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. What's up, Haroon? Calaglia. Good morning to both. How many thumbs up do we have? I better see a lot of fucking thumbs up. I ain't kidding you. I'm so tired. Oh, sleep. I swear I hate sleep, but you need it. Oh, I swear to God. I should have came on 2 hours ago. I don't even know where I'm at. What the fuck are we doing? US 30. Yeah, okay. Let's take a look on the big charts and see what I see. Nothing. 1 second. Has it gone down over? Does anybody know? Has it gone down to the blue lines overnight or no? Man, it sure doesn't fucking look like it. Oh, yes, it did. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. So we've already had the Uno reverse. Does anyone have the Uno reverse? Have we already had the Uno reverse? Today's September 10th. Yes. Okay. The Fibonacci. So we already had it go down. Sure looks like it. 30 second. Yes. 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 Did it go down to the 1 minute? Yes. Did it go down to the 1 minute? No on those. Yes, it did. So not today. Okay. Good morning from Italy. Oh, Pay Dude. What's up, Pay Dude? I'm Italian. Well, half Italian. 22.29. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Thank you. Not today. Yes, it did. It did. Yeah, I'm seeing that. Okay, so cool. Well, we don't have to worry about that shit then. Nice. Oh, come on now. Give me this right here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, we're in the middle of a buy right now. All right. Let me see. Hold on. The great Keith Palmer. Oh, let's go play some more music while I do this. All right, I'm going to play this song. KJ's got an intro for us, Keith. But I'm just going to play these two songs for right now.
I can't get hard, not even with the blue pills.
All right, I think that's our ED stock.
You see me shining today, but it wasn't always like that. Take my hand and walk with me. Let me take you on a journey, living in the land of dreams. Started to turn into a nightmare, couldn't keep up. Bills working day and night, gym bills coming, that's more money. Blood suckers show no mercy. Do you know the feeling of no hope? World weight, Christian down on your shoulders, family gone, friends gone, hope gone. But the one never leave was my reason why. She stayed when they all walked away. She was the light in the dark. My reason
was Bree.
It was free. My hope, it was free. So now you can see what she means to me. She set me free. Now the world will witness me. Precious, I want the world to know what you mean to me. No matter what, I won't leave. Who be loves precious with all his heart. Their bond born is strong like a work of art. Together they shine like stars. Their love will never die.
It was Bree. All right, now that's a great song. It's just too calm for me in the morning sometimes, so I play it a little later. So let's go from here, right, to a little more hyper song. A little more song that kind of, I don't know if you guys like it. Some of you are, well, some of you just don't like it, and some of you do. I happen to love it. So let's take a listen to it. And let's get back to this. Good morning, everyone. 9/10/25 Wednesday. You stumbled across the live that can actually help you out demo financially. I've been trading over 30 years. Isn't that scary? The last 5 plus. Okay. See, I can't even spell normally. Trade anyone so live the weapons.
What's your emergency? Fake traders on the floor, pips bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called, I'm sending you back to your market maker. What you talking about? News, you make me laugh. We got it covered, red fold, yellow folder, don't matter. Let's go, it's over. Fake traders did a chance. Game over, it's over, it's over. You can never take from me what I'm in today. I was forged in the dark, you fake traders better run from the bulk in the park. We gon' take it, trend lines, and it's shorter patterns. Think of an ashes, you make me laugh. To give my buck the ball before the old ways. Don't work, come to the winning side. Baby, save the trade system.
All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Kev, tell them. Weapon. Good morning. Got the Bach. You haven't got the sniper. You haven't got the sneaky trade system. I love that part. You haven't got the Bach. You haven't got the sniper. Where was I? All right, peepee weepies. I don't know. Who wants to hear about the Bree bot, or who wants me to go over the 50 plus symbols? 7 for the Bree bot, 9 for the 50 plus symbol callouts. I'll do them both. Well, if I have time, sometimes I get a little sidetracked.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Woke up to sniper missing. I guess I forgot to renew. Do I do that through Bree or Stan Store? For the sniper, just give us a nicely worded email, Ken. We'll take care of you by, this evening, quick. Crash. Bree saved us all in Kev's bank, refusing to let him buy Bitcoin. Yeah, my bank, Community Bank and Trust in LaGrange, Georgia at the time. Bitcoin was under $1. Coinbase was just firing up or whatever. I have no idea how long they were in business. And I had tried to buy $300 worth of Bitcoin under $1. True story, by the way. I tried using my debit card. It wouldn't go through. I went into the bank. Imagine that. I have no idea why I did that back then. I was really well off. I went into the bank and I said, hey, I want to buy this Bitcoin. It's not going through. They said, you can't buy it. Coinbase is a scam and we're not allowing the transaction to go through. I'm like, fuck you. It's my money. Nope, not allowing it. Coinbase is a scam. We're not allowing that to go through. So I couldn't buy $300 worth of Bitcoin under $1. There should have been an email saying you missed a payment. All you have to do is go into that email. That's true. Not today. Fuck. Okay, you guys are smarter than me. Holy fucking shit. Look at not today. Look at what not today. Oh my gosh. There was an email he received and that he missed. You go and update your payment. That is so fucking true. Not today. Oh my God. Some of my members are smarter than I am. I go, shoot me an email. You can still shoot an email, especially if that doesn't work. My brother-in-law's funny. What's that track you were playing in the background? Okay, was 9 the Breebot? Oh, I'm confused. 9, then 7. So which one was 9 and which one was 7? I'm so tired. What's that playing in the background? That is 2 hit songs. Shiraz made these from a AI thingy. So at any rate, Meet Your Market Maker is the first song. And well, whichever. And then this is Pubilos Precious. Oh boy. Oh boy. No, I don't know what we're hearing here. NQ Cross. Oh, we're in a buy. Yep. NQ Crossing. That's great. You're already making money. I'm not even looking at that shit. So those are the 2 tracks playing in the background. You can go to YouTube and just take them from there. That's fine. Good morning, Erica. What was my 9 and what was my 7 again? Oh, the 9s were the symbols? I use a Cash App card. I forget to load it every time. That's why I know. Nice. That's so smart. You're so smart. I will try that. Thank you. Okay. So you guys want me to do the symbols first? Yes. I swear to God. Oh, my goodness. I don't swear to God. Sorry, I shouldn't say that's a bad habit. So you guys want me to do the symbols first? All right, let's do the symbols first. Well, I do see some Bree bots here. Both bot 7s. Oh, okay. TikTok's a little divided. A lot of 9s over here. 9. I'll just do them. All right, let me do the calls. It'll probably help Kim out anyways. Look at those fucking entries on the Breebot, though. Look at this entry. This is legit at me. Oh, Jesus. Naz is going up, I guess. I don't know what the fuck's going on. Hold on. Let me go over here and call those. I do want to see this 30-minute, though. This is so pretty. Oh, see, I can't be on both. No. I got to get out of that one. Jeez, I can't be in Restream. Look at that 30-minute. Ooh. See, the hour didn't go low enough. Look at that 30-minute. This is the most prettiest thing you've ever seen in your life. Boom. Still could be a better entry, though. And then boom. Look at this fucking call. Okay, I'll go to the real call-outs. I'll go live. Hold on. From right about there to right about here. Over $300. A 0.01 would be $300. You can make that trade on any MT4, MT5 fucking broker out there. Don't be a lazy ass and do some fucking research. Then, if you were to put a 0.10, you would have had $3,000 on that trade. 0 drawdown and $3,000 on that trade. Demo trade only, not a financial advisor. Then if you would have put a 1.0, you'd had $30,000. And if you would have put a 10.0, which is too fucking huge for anyone to do, a 10.0, you'd have had $300,000 on that trade. All made from a robot. How much balls do you have to make the trade? The Griffey, good morning. I would never. I would do a 0.01 and just be happy with $300. But everybody trades a little differently. Some of you got balls of steel out there. All right. So let's go over to the current one, see what we got going on. 1 second. We have a... Why does it look like it's trying to go back down there again? A sell stop to the blue line? I'm not calling that. We've already done it. That is a sell stop to the blue line. Okay, let it just go down. I'm not calling the sell. Let's just go up here where I'm going to play around at. Let's see, 15 too late, 1 minute too late. No. All right, right now there's nothing to do with the indices. They all need to pull back and down. Otherwise, I can't make a call. These are 3 minute. These were 5 minute, 1 minute buy stops. Maybe I can get you something in a 15 second. No. Okay, we need a pullback. All right, I'm going to mark this. Let's mark it here. This is not a signal call out. This is just me putting in some alerts so while I'm talking I can see what's going on. All right, you can't do anything. If you didn't take the 4-hour wrong buy stop that I called out the other day, who was that silly person? Oh my God, I got to stop. All right. It was a 4-hour, then it was a 12-hour buy. I mean, you can see it. A blind person can see this. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Up she goes to record highs. Told you, by the way. SPX at a record high. ES1's at a record high. NQ1's at a record high. NAS is now at a record high. Told you, fucking told you. US 30's at a record high. Told you they were all doing the ricochet. It's the ricochet. Ricochet always works. Hello. Demo trade only, not a financial advisor. Good morning, the Griffey. Good morning, Solace Soul. The 15-minute NAS 3 hour ago was perfect. Nice. Solace says, I'm glad, Solace. Good morning, Solace. What's up, John Parker? Currently waiting on the XRP to blow. Look at, I think Solace has gotten the fucking hang of it after all these years. Thank God, Solace. All right, so let's make sure this is on US 30. All right, I'm going to sit over here, and I'm going to use this one to make my call outs on. And here we go. I'm not calling out anything until the 6 indices drop further. Gold. Look at gold. Is it still going to fucking record highs? Holy shit. Gold is too good. Thank you, Kim. Kimberly Harrington. Unbelievable. Kim is just... sell stop gold, which don't ever play a sell stop on gold. To the 30-second blue line, gold. It's going to go down to here. You can do a sell stop on gold. Just stop with the fucking god dang fuck. Hold on. Don't do the sell stop on gold. Just wait for the buy to kick in later on. Gold 6 minutes, 7 minute. Yeah, we'll do a 7 minute. 7 minute buy stop on gold. $3,653.40. Can you imagine? I was calling it at like 1,500, 1,300. I forgot when we first started calling gold. Incredible. Gold will then go back up to, I ain't calling that one. Gold will then go back up to $3,673.21 and then to a new record high. That's gold. You can take any, let me be clear on gold. This is a very great opportunity for you. Wait for it to pull back a little bit. You can take any buy stop, 30-minute buy stop on gold until this pink line on my sniper, the most incredible, the most useful, and the most accurate, it's just crossing now, by the way, indicator ever made until it goes to 80%, it's at 50%. And then all it's going to do is come up, hook, come back down again, just like it did 2 years ago, January, September 2 years ago, last year, January, last year, September, this year, January, this year, just now. It repeats itself over and over and over again. Gold's just on a roll. Take it. Now, silver. Oh, by the way, just so we're clear, I've called out accurately US 30, 100% accurate. It is now a closed symbol. Again, I can no longer call it. It's done everything I asked for it to do. I will continue to call it because it's so easy, but it's gone up every which way possible. It's hit every 100% of all my take profits. YM1 is a closed symbol. And what does that mean? It's hit every take profit 100% of the time I've called it. NAS has hit every take profit I possibly can call 100% of the time. Closed. NQ1 is a closed symbol. What does that mean? It's hit every one of the take profits I've ever called. I can't call it. It's off the charts at this point. I still will because it's easy and fun. SPX, a closed symbol. Record highs, I've called it 100% accurately. It's now as high as I can call the thing possible. ES1 is a closed symbol. Gold is a closed symbol. It's so high. I've called everything accurately. It's 100% done. I will keep calling it for you. Silver will go up to a record high again. It just did it again. Told you it was going over 40. Told you it was going over 40. Told you it was going over 41. It is a closed symbol because I've called it 100% accurately. It will go up and do another record high. Litecoin. Okay, peeps. I don't know who keeps screaming at you. This is not closed. This is wide open. You would have gotten in here at 87. You'd be up here at 134 if you had my my system. Of course, if you had my system back here, you would have gotten in at 67, and it went up to 146. Now, listen to me and listen well on Litecoin. Litecoin. Boy, you still have time for Litecoin. It is a monthly, 3-monthly buy stop. Litecoin will be going back up to 130, 146. I love the take profit of 165, my favorite one. And then it will go past $3 and then $400. I don't care. As long as it goes to 160, 165, Litecoin is a blessing from God.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. Next. Nike. I love me some Nike. Nike is, can't see anything. What the hell? What the helly? Nike. Let's see how low she's going here. No. Nike is a, let's make it quick too. I don't want to waste too much time here. Daily buy stop to the 7-hour blue line. Take profit one, $78.27, Nike. And then it is a daily, weekly sell stop. Fuck. Down to $64.89. Motherfuckers. I wouldn't play a sell on Nike. You can. Strictly looking for Nike to do a 3-month, 6-month buy. Take profit $81.69. Gold in the money. Gold in the money. Take profit Nike $95. Take profit Nike $126, my favorite, and then it will go over $175. Love Nike. Target. Love Target. Unfortunately, Target has to get through the sell area right here. It'll get there. Followed on the way down. The further it goes down, the more money we make on the way up. Target is, did it hit? Yeah, it's already done it. All right, Target is beautiful down on a sell. We should be able to start to see Target moving upward very soon. 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Not quite there yet, but close enough. Buy stop, take profit one on Target, $98.57, $106.58. My favorite is $140. It'll go over $264 for Target. CVS, it's been kicking ass for us. We're doing wonderful with it. Next take profit is $76.20. Then it will go over $87.08, eventually going over $100. That's CVS.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Estee Lauder, doing extremely well for us, actually. Estee Lauder will go over $100. Then it will go over $150, and then it will go over $180. Favorite take profit is $250 for Estee Lauder.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Verizon. Love Verizon. It is still a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Verizon's going back to $47.20, which was called back in last December. Then it will go above $54.32. I love that take profit, and eventually over $62.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. NVTS. Sure, let me go to NVTS before I forget about it, and I'll come back to SMCI. If I can chart it, I'll read it for you. NVTS. This looks like what he's talking about. Oh, that ain't good. Let me go over here and see some low. One of our members is asking about NVTS. Okay, well, there's a buy stop to $6.09 on the 15-minute. I like that. That's bad. 2-hour sell stop to $5.30, but that can be skipped. Yep, I like that. Let me see the daily. That's nice. Daily SPX must be moving down. Oh shit. But let's stay out of these really high time frames. Okay, fuck. All right, let's be real here. There's a 3-week monthly sell stop. It can go as low as $2. But there's some good news here. Write that down too officially, Kim, so that we're clear on that. But the good news is this. Oh, can I call it? Okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do him a solid. Yes, Physique Pablo. I can see this going back to $6.78. My favorite take profit would be $7.86. If it hits that, I'd be thrilled. You got in way up here at how much? $8.80. Jeez, Physique Pablo, did you not have my system? There's no way it was a buy at $8.80. Physique Pablo, do you not have my system? He got it like at the peak. You must not have you should have been in down here, my brother. You should have been down at $6 and rode it to $8. Do I think it's going to go back there? I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for fun. I can see it going to $7.80. Will it go past that? It can, yes. Would I be in that trade? Hell fucking no, not with a 1,000,000-foot pole. I wouldn't be in that trade. But, you know, do I think it's going to go up there before it dips to $2? Yes, I do. I think it'll go back to $6, $7, maybe $8 before it dips to $2. Yes, I do. I hope that helps you, Physique Pablo. You really need the system if you don't have it. And if you do have it, I'm guessing you didn't have it at the time of that trade. All right. Can you look at PayPal? Let's look at PayPal. You guys are throwing me off my mojo here. PayPal. All right. Let's look at PayPal. Good morning, the Griffey. PayPal is sell. Why is PayPal getting slammed into the ground? Sell. PayPal's getting fucking destroyed. I never followed this. I think I called it out once upon a time. I don't know. I think I did. 10 hours. Wow. PayPal is getting fucking slaughtered. Holy shit. What the hell happened to PayPal? Hopefully it's a nice high buy stop over here. Oh, and they don't give us enough. How can there not be enough history on PayPal? How the fuck can there not be enough history for me to... Well, hold on. How can there not be enough history on PayPal? That is so freaking BS. How can there not be enough history on PayPal for me to call on NASDAQ? What are they talking about? What is this? Mexican Stock Exchange. Let me see if I can see something deeper. What a bunch of scam artists. No, I can't get it. Wow, I can't read PayPal Pie. I don't know. If I was guessing, I would say PayPal is a 6-month buy stop, but what do I know? I don't have my system. I can't tell you. But if I was trading it personally, I would look at this as a 6-month, 12-month buy stop for PayPal. PPI in 10 minutes. Oh, there's news this morning. Fuck me.
Demo trade only. I am
Really?
not a financial advisor.
Really news? Really motherfucking real news? Man, I should have stayed fucking asleep. PPI sometimes can be big movement. Usually is not. Sometimes it could be big movement. Usually it is not. Fuck me. Let me look at it. Pooby loves Precious with all his heart. Really? PPI. If it was CPI, I'd definitely play it. But let me go over here. Fuck out of Dodge. Jeez, oh, pizza. Precious loves Pooby with all her heart. 5-second sell stop to the blue line. Yeah. They're going to jerk this down. That's the usual game plan, by the way. Then they'll pop it up later. Buy. You can do a sell stop if you want towards the 5-second blue line. And in fact, they'll probably do that at this stupid thing. I would only look for the buys. Let me go up here and see where we can get you in at. Yeah. 1 minute buy. Yeah. 1 minute buy. Here, we'll mark it in. This is better. It's pulled down. I want it to pull down further. Here, this is nice. We'll hear a whole bunch of ding, ding, dings here shortly. Let it pull down further before the news, and then at the news, they can jerk it up for us. I think they need the jerking up over there on the ED stock. Yeah, this is probably going to turn into a 2-minute buy. Let's see. Yeah, maybe. 2-minute buy, stop, 1 minute, whatever you want. You can take the sell if you want. I'd be very leery of taking the sell. I think they're going to drop it down to like the 5-10 second mark, then flip it around the 15-second mark and come back up with it, probably around open. But let's see if I'm right. Sell stop to the 5-second blue line. If you want to play that, I would be, and if you're going to play the sell, I'd look for US 30 to be specific, US 30 and YM1. Pooby loves Precious with all her heart. Good morning, Ace Bullet. What's up, Ace? NQ1 in the house, y'all. Yeah, see. There's your sell to the 5-second blue line. Told you. We have touchdown to the 5-second blue line of SPX, ES1, NQ1, and NAS. Now, good. Let's go down to 10-second. Sell stop towards the 10-second blue line, and I think they'll yank it all the way down there just because they like to be douches like that. So look for the pull back, the pull down when they announce whatever this shit news is, PPI, CPI, suck my. And then they're going to pull it down to here. It's already going there. Shit. All right, let's keep going with them. Let's go to the 15-second blue line. See. Yeah, why not? Okay. Sell stop towards the 15-second blue line. Every time you hear the money talk, that's when an angel gets its wings. There must be a lot of happy angels out there. I'd be looking for the 2-minute buy stop. There you go. Sell stop to the 15-second blue line, but I'd be looking at this 2-minute buy. I bet you this is really tempting. Followed on the way down. Don't get caught. I love this little trade right here. This is going to be a gorgeous one. If they don't pop it right here at the news, whatever bullshit news they're going to call, which again, explain to me how they know immediately upon 8:30 that it's going to go up or down. Give me a fucking break. They know nothing, Jon Snow. And then, yeah, all those are your take profits. You can clearly see what they are. See, 6,537.40 cents. There you go. And then we'll just follow it down, and on the way up, we'll make some money. Oh, I'm tired. Crash if we get our overnight reverse at PPI, and it would mirror what happened at NFP. They already did the overnight reversal today. Crash, you must have missed it and been asleep. They've already done it. Been removing data for a couple of weeks now, especially for 1 minute and under. Yeah, that's fair. Pile of shits. What's up, David Wingett? You're welcome, David. I think I lost Physique Pablo. Sorry, Physique, if that doesn't help you. Good morning, Eric R. Good morning, Brian Flores. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch, Facebook Live. All right, here comes PPI in a few minutes. CPI, TPI, PPI. We have 3 minutes to PPI. I'll sit right here and watch this. I'll try to get you in and out. Whatever you do, do not trade this bullshit. They do institutional orders first for their stop losses, so they'll blow through your stop losses. If you're in a trade, lock in profit and just sit there and wait. If it goes down real hard, which they probably will, I'll get you in. If not, you can get in some buy stops. Depends how fast they jerk it up too, though. They might not let you in. But either way, we'll just play it. I'll call it out as this goes live. Here we go. completely looking for it to go down to the 10-second blue line on a sell, and then it will shoot back up on the buy. Don't really care if it shoots up now, if it shoots up at 9:30, preferably 9:30 actually, but we'll see what they do. Only positions I would play, to be clear, because some of you do not understand English, is a buy. I wouldn't play the sell to the 10-second, 15-second blue lines. You guys can. I would never do that. Just sit back and chill if you're not going to do the buy stops. We should play some music while we're waiting. This is too fucking boring. Here we go.
Line up. I got my sniper locked and loaded. Night out one, what's your emergency? Fake traders on the floor, pips bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called, I'm sending you back to your market maker. What you talking about? News, you make me laugh. We got it covered. Red fold, yellow folder, don't matter.
Solace, we don't care about the news. Tits. Morning, Andrew, Brian, and Eric. Yeah, we want them to stupidly push this down. 1 minute to a PPI, whatever this shit news is. Looking for buys on NAS, NQ1, SPX, ES1. If you want to do a sell, do it on US 30 and YM1. Just be patient on this trade. PPI blows. I bet it doesn't even move much. I hope it does, though. Maybe wake me up. Come on, peeps. Come on, peeps. There you go. There's your buy stop. There it is. Those are your alerts going off. Did it dip down? Yes. It did dip down and touch the 10-second blue line. It did dip down and touch the 10-second blue line. That's funny as fuck. You can re-enter the trade right here if you want. Re-enter the trade right here on NQ. Watch. Yeah, tell me how it blew its wad. Tell me how it blew its wad at exactly 8:30 without any words being spoken. Such total bullshit. But we're on to it at this point. Nice. Well, that was a nice morning open. I like that. Re-enter the trade. It did go down and touch the 10-second blue line on all indices. Buy stop back up to here. Buy stop back up to here. Buy stop back up to here. Just see, there you go. Follow this down. Watch. Follow it back down. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right, there we go. I'm not going to do the US 30. We'll just stay right here. Did it look like my thing? A little. It didn't go quite as deep as I wanted, but that's okay. Buy stop NAS, NQ1, SPX, ES1.
Demo trade only. I am not
Pink's separated from the blue. You'll see the pink come back up. You'll see this gap fill in. You'll see price action go back up to here-ish. Pink's separating right here. It's going to come back up, fill this gap up in, and go right here. And then price will go back up to here, maybe to there. You'll see this pink hook. You'll see you're already in the money. You already made money on NAS and NQ1. You can close out those trades. You're already back in the money on that if you missed the first call on the NAS buy. There she blows. You're in the money on NAS. You're in the money on NQ1. You're in the money on SPX. You're in the money on ES1. It did exactly like I told you to do. There's the pink hookup. The sniper is simply the most accurate indicator in the history of the world. It tells you when to get into trades, when not to get into trades, how long to hold the trade for. What more do you want? See it go up and close, as I told you. See it go up before your very eyes. Is everybody watching History in the Making when a trader is trading live? Not just one symbol, but 6. Not just telling you where one symbol is going to go up and what's going to do, but all of them. You can see my call-outs live coming true. You can see it go up before your fucking very eyes. Oh, bingo, boppo, bango. Mofo's in the money on your NAS, in the money on your NQ1, in the money on your SPX and ES1. It did exactly as I told you it was going to do. Someone throw out, thank you, Kevin. Someone throw out some thank yous to God. Someone, and look at Solace calling out saying, oh, it has to go up because blah, blah, blah. Look at Solace go. 962 on 1 minute buy, done for the day. Great, Kevin. I'm so happy for you. Look at this. Not only do I call it out, I draw it out, tell you what it's going to do before it's going to do because of the sniper. If you don't have the sniper and you have my system, I think you're making a mistake. Look at this. Exactly as I told you. On US 30, on YM1, specifically on NAS, specifically on NQ1, SPX, and ES1. Look at all the alerts firing off. See all the alerts over there on TikTok? 100% accurate. No other trader on earth is doing what I'm doing live. You know how hard it is to fucking trade, let alone do it fucking live? Give me a break. I want to see some thank gods or I'll be leaving. I want to see some 7s or I'll be leaving. And I am tired as fuck. I will leave you all in split seconds. Look at this. Perfection, perfection. Told you it's going to fill in. Told you the pink. Now the pink's going to hook back down. Price will come back down with it. It will come back down, hook, and come back up again. I don't care. Tell me another trader on a 10-second chart that is telling you where 6 symbols are going to do before it happens, telling you what's going to happen on the indicators before it happens, telling you where it's going to go to. See, I told you it's going to go right there. It's going to go up past that now. This next push, when this one comes down, pink and purple is going to come down. Price action is going to come down, well, hopefully further for you guys to re-enter. Pink will cross purple, go up to the blue line. Purple will come up to the blue line. This gap will fill in again, just like it did before your very eyes here. Price action will go above here, and then it will go above here on this push. But I want it to drop down much further. It's got to come down further. We need price action. There you go, to come down. There you go. Now, I'm not saying the market listens to me, but maybe the market listens to me. I don't know. I just don't know. Oh, nice trade. Thank you, Maxim Motors. But no, it was a fantastically awesome. Oh my God, how does he do that trade? Let's call it the way it is. Let's call it the fucking way it is. There's no other you know how hard it is to trade by yourselves. I know you all do. No other trader just would have told you this right here. Couldn't. They don't even know how to trade the 10-second blue line. Let me be clear on that. No, you can't trade. I was taught you can't trade under 15-minute. Then 5-minute, maybe. Doesn't make any sense, right? Bingo, boppo, bango. Bingo, boppo, bango. Look at this shit. Amazing. System is flawless. Pink will cross purple. Pink will come up first. Then the purple will come up. When it crosses will be your time for a little entry. You see how it's coming still down, though? Let it come down a little further. Just follow it back up. You'll make even more money on this particular move. Nice. Can you imagine? Damn, that was a beautiful little trade. It's going to do it again. This is your middle of an M of a W right here, what you're seeing. Watch. This is your, well, I don't know how you want to look at this, but down, up, down, up. I don't know if it'll go this low. It'll probably stop somewhere around there, as my guess. And then it will hook, and then it will come back up. It's a 10-second buy stop now. Soon you'll see, oh, they're going to bring the blue line down with it now. So they're going to bring the blue down with it maybe. Hook like this. The pink will come up through that. This will go back up like this right here. And then price action will come back up over the center line here. And then it will go up over there. Same here. It'll go past there. It'll go past there. It'll go past there. And there's your buy stops. Oh, shit. I forgot. Okay, we're in the middle of calling out things. Tell me when this happens. Because this will happen. Just tell me when this happens. Whatever. Let me just get this here. I forgot we were in the middle of calling out symbols. Sorry, Kim. So much easier when I stay on that so she can just get right through it. I'm sorry. That's my bad. All right. There you go. And we'll hear a whole bunch of dings again later on here in just a few seconds, few minutes. Okay. Now, it's going to do exactly as I drew out. It will do exactly as I drew out. But I got to get back to calling out symbols. Hold on. No, not the right one. No, not the right one. No, not the right one. Aha. SMCI. Before stumbling across your live a few years ago, I would still be analyzing the charts with fib and leans of resistance and miss the trade altogether. I know, right, Kevin? I mean, you do your top-down analysis, do your look to the left, add on your Fibonacci, make sure you look at your naming of your of the candle that it's on, and then, yeah, and then what the fuck you gonna do? Then the trade's over, like Kevin says. US 30's in the money. Thank you, Azar. Good morning, Azar. Yes, it is. All right, I got to get back to calling them out. Kev, excellent as usual. 777. Thanks, GV. Can't wait till class. Love it. Good morning to you, Sam K. Solace. Okay. So SMCI. I swear I got to get through this. All right. Come on, guys. SMCI. SMCI. What do we got? 3-month buy, right? Yep. 6-month buy. 3 month, 6-month buy stop. Why do I like that? Whoa. Hold on. Why am I calling SMCI? Where's my 6-month at? Where's the bullshit detector? Whoa. Is this a faster buy stop in here? Hold on. What's going on with this? Why is SMCI? Did they take away? Because it's a sell right there. I don't like the 6-month being missing. Was my 6? Oh, we're on PayPal. Oh my God. I swear to God, fucking TradingView sucks. Oh, thank God. I'm over here thinking I'm not calling SMC. I'm going to take it off my list. Man, you guys almost dicked me out of fucking TradingView. Almost dicked me out of this. Oh my gosh. Really? SMCI, still a fucking weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. Going back to $49.22, going back to $57.35, going back to $71.34, my favorite take profit, and then I'll go over 120. Mike, I swear. I'm trying to call SMCI and I'm on PayPal. PFE, baby. Let's see how low this thing's going. PFE. Man, we got to get going. 12-hour buy, 12-hour buy, 12-hour weekly, daily weekly sell. Daily weekly sell down to $21.83. I wouldn't play that with a 1,000,000-foot pole. I would be patient. Aha. Oh, I love this. 6-month, 3-month. This is gorgeous. PFE, buy stop, take profit 1. I don't know, pick one. $28.37, $32.98, $40.91, and it will go over 60.
Demo trade only.
Starbuckies.
Not a financial advisor.
Love Starbucks. $95. $100. It'll go back to $107 and eventually over $120. This Starbucks.
Demo trade
Flow
only.
Rida.
I am not a financial
Flow. How
advisor.
low is Flow gonna go? Oh, lower than that shit. Ooh, smoking down low. Fuck me. Whoa, Flow Rida. Whoa, 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 whoa. Suck your toe to 3-month buy stop, but it's still dropping. Be careful with Flow. Take profit of $15, $19, $22, $25. Favorite take profit, and it will go eventually over 30. Oxy.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Yeah, that was PayPal, says David. I know, right? Crash, it always does exactly what you say. The chat pushed my question out of view. I'm sorry, Crash. Andrew, gold gives us entry for open. Went down news. Happy because I missed the overnight 15-minute buy stop. Says Andrew, yeah, you have more time. Yeah, I'll be doing QCOM in a little bit. Not right now. I'm not interrupting this anymore. I got to go in order. TM has hit fucking profit, boys. Anyone seen this? Our little TM call wasn't much, but it hit to take profit. It's going to go up to $205.61 and eventually past $250. That's TM.
Demo trade only.
ASML,
I am not
another
a
one.
financial advisor.
ASML has gone right back up. Beautiful hit take profit right there. It's going to go to 866, 920, and it's going to go above 1100. I love ASML.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Here we go. AT&T is technically another one of those perfectly called closed trades I refer to. We called it back here at $17. We called to take profit at
Demo trade only.
$21.
I am not a financial
here.
advisor.
Now look at it. Now it hit my final take profit of $29, but I'm going to keep calling it because I love you guys and I'm trying to help you all out. AT&T is going to go to $34, and then it's going to go above $46.
Demo trade only.
Bitcoin.
I am not
I've been
a
calling
financial
Bitcoin
advisor.
100% correctly since March the 8th, 2023, when it was at $26,500. Technically, I've been calling Bitcoin since it was under $1, but you know, whatever. ES crossing. Something tells me they're going to be going up soon. All right. We have SPX crossing. Oh, shit, they're all going up. We have a daily Bitcoin buy. Bitcoin will be going past 116,000. It'll be going past 122. Then it'll be going to a new record high for Bitcoin. Ethereum is a daily buy. Ethereum will be going back to 4,484, and then it will go up past 4,900 to $5,000. I was calling Ethereum back when it was, what, 15, 16, 1,700 to go to $5,000, tripling your money, but whatever. What do I know?
Demo trade only. I am
XRP
not a financial
is
advisor.
another closed trade, meaning closed symbol, meaning I called it 100% accurately. It hit all take profits, but I'm going to call it again for you. $3.07, $3.17, $3.27, and then it will go to a new record high. XLM, another closed trade, called it perfectly for you. I'm going to call it again just because I love you all. 39 cents, 42 cents, 52 cents. XLM will go to Amazon. I can't call Amazon any greater than I call it. It's the greatest stock in the history of the world. I love Amazon. There's nothing better. No one can ever change my mind on it. Amazon is always a 30-minute buy no matter what, but it is a closed trade. I called it since $91, $92. You'd have, what, tripled your money on this trade, 2.5 times your money. Netflix, I'm going to call it, even though it's shitty and it's overvalued, at $1,286.07. It is also another one of my 100% correctly called trade, 100% accurate on Netflix. It's closed.
Demo trade only.
NVIDIA.
I
I'm
am
going to call it
not
for
a
you
financial
because I love you
advisor.
all. It's also a closed trade. We've been calling NVIDIA for years and years and years and years. It's going to go right back to $175, $179, and it will go over $184.
Demo
Johnson
trade
& Johnson.
I am not a
Johnson &
financial
Johnson
advisor.
was my darling, like United Healthcare is now, and Nike and this one right here, J&J, it did exactly as I told you it was going to do. 100% accurately called trade. It's going to go back to $178, and it's going to go over 100. Oh my God! Did I not call $181 on J&J?
Demo trade
Did I not call? Hold on. Hold the presses. Did I not call $181 on Johnson & Johnson? One of my calls, I fucking know I did. Hold on. Let's go. Well, wait, is this July? Yeah, let's go here and see. J&J. There is no fucking way. That is too fucking cool. Where's my J&J call? Nike, Nvidia, Oxy, PPE. Ah, where's my J&J call? Some bitch. Hold on. Let's find another big one right here. These are all my old call-outs. Oh, come. What the hell? What the helly? What the LeBron James? Oh, the hell I didn't. Been calling this sucker outright for a long time. What the helly? What the LeBron James? What the Holly Berry? Come on. Anybody want to look through this and save me the time from doing this live? I need to get like a little helper, dude. For whenever of course, I never know when I'm going to go live, so that'd be a little inconvenient for people. What the Halle Berry? Aha, this might have something in it. What the LeBron James? That's J&J. 170, 171. No, I called it to 181. I'm positive I did. And I'm stubborn enough to look through every one of these damn things until I find it. But nonetheless, yes, I called 181. I know I did. Is it over 180? What the Holly Berry? Oh, fuck. I don't know how far back I have to go to grab it, though. These are just little ones. There it is. J&J, I told you. Boom, baby. Where the hell to go? J&J. 3-month buy stop. This is back on April the 23rd. Take profit 1, 162, hit. Take profit 2, 170, hit. Take profit 3, 108. I came within $1, but I remember saying 181. $180 hit. There still is a take profit of $200. That is correct. Fuck all you haters. Double thumbs up to all of you out there that can't say every one of. I'm telling you, if someone goes back in history and tracks every one of these calls I made, especially the 3-month calls, I'm going to be right 100% of the fucking time. Thanks be to God and God alone. Every time correct. Every fucking time correct. Look at that shit. Should have bought some fucking options back in April on J&J. Some of my members did, actually. All right, so there's J&J. I'm over here dying, says Andrew Frost. So Andrew knows what I'm singing right now. You closed the trade out. Not today. QCOM. Yep, that's a coming. All right, so there's Kirk Brown. Everybody see that I called that accurately? 7s if you saw that I called J&J accurately. And it will go again back to where I said. AMD.
I am not a financial advisor.
AMD. So high. It's so fucking high. I don't know what to tell you on AMD. You should have listened to me when it was down there. I'll call it some more. AMD, $188 is going to go over 220.
Demo trade only. I am not a
Costco.
financial advisor.
It's going to go over 1,100. McDonald, these are all closed trade.
Demo trade
McDonald's
only.
called back
I am
out
not
on
a
November
financial
5th.
advisor.
100% accurately, it will go over 320. Microsoft called out November 5th. Look where I called Microsoft out at, which is exactly as how I teach you guys to enter. A little late, actually. There it is. And look at it. Now you want to do Microsoft? There's nothing I can call. It's too high. Hilton called it in November 4th, same as the time I called the other. Too high. 100% accurately called trade. Microsoft, McDonald's, Costco, Google, 100% accurately called trade. I've been calling Google right in my system, and the signal server has been calling Google right forever. Look at this shit. $165. I can't call it anymore. It's too high. Google's off the charts. Accuracy 100% closed.
Demo trade only.
Apple.
I am not.
I
a
mean, we've been
financial
calling Apple
advisor.
since before January of this year. It's going to go back up. It's already there. It's already fucking there. It hit take profit again. Apple hit my take profit. I'll call it again to 253. Apple.
Demo trade only.
Tesla.
I am not a financial
Tesla is
advisor.
also another closed trade. Every call out I ever made was 100% accurate. Tesla is a closed trade. I'm going to go ahead and call it again because I want Elon to give me a Billy. $380 is where Tesla is going to without question. And then eventually it'll go over 500. United Healthcare.
Demo trade only.
United
I am
Healthcare.
not a financial advisor.
Gee, I wonder if anyone named Kevin Grego, thanks be to Jesus Christ, has been calling United Healthcare a buy stop. Monthly 3-month buy stop. Look at this. I bet you I called the very bottom at 253. Oh my God. Take profit 1 has been hit. Take profit 2 has been hit. Take profit 3 has been hit. Take profit 4, United Healthcare, $400. 430, then it will be going back to $500, and eventually it'll meander past 600. United Healthcare.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I agree with what Crash said. Oh shit, do I still have this on? Shit. No, we do not. Okay, we're good. I gotta get off there. Okay. All right. NVO, been calling that out correctly too. You're about to make a shit ton on that. Monthly, 3-monthly buy stop. Take profit $62.74, $71.92, $81.63, $96.20. My favorite take profit of $120. Then it will go over 144. NVO. Here's the QCOM someone asked for. Yeah, hold all your questions till after I'm done reading these because I don't want to go out of order. It just makes things harder for the person who writes these down for us. QCOM, Qualcomm is a daily buy stop. Take profits have been hit on 1, 2, 3. Technically, it's going back to 165.77. Then it's going to go back to 176.77, and then it'll go over 220.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
Disney.
advisor.
Everybody hates Disney. Disney. Wish upon a star. It is a monthly sell stop on Disney, but I don't give 2 fucks. I love the 3-month on Disney, and all the haters can go fuck themselves. Disney buy stop. Well, I don't think we were watching it down there, but it's definitely going here. $120.74, $135. Then Disney's going to $146.84. And then Disney is going up over $200. That's Disney. I love the stock.
Demo trade
Intel.
only.
I
am
asked
not
somebody
a
who
financial advisor.
does this for a living, what's wrong with Intel? Why is Intel down to like $20 and $18? No one likes Intel. Okay. Fuck all you absolute great minds out there, all you financial advisors. You're all fucking wrong. I'm telling you right now, you're all fucking wrong. 6-month, 12-month buy stop on Intel. Love the trade. Take profit $26.76, $30, $36. My favorite take profit is $48 on Intel. Then it's going to go well above $65 for Intel.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
Match.
advisor.
Making some money on Match right now and some options. All right. You like to call him Mitch. 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Love it. Take profit $48, $61, $89. Wish upon a star. I don't even know how they're good. I don't know what they do. I guess that's Match.com or something. I don't know what the fuck they do. FedEx. Love me some FedEx. Hate their signature required bullshit. I think it's the stupidest thing on earth. I think they've improved that now. Used to have signature require on shit. How dumb are they? $234.56. $243 take profit. $252.46. I love the take profit of $269.25. And eventually FedEx will go over $300.
Demo trade only.
PNG.
I am not a financial advisor.
Morning, Guy Burger. PNG. Love PNG. It's been kicking ass, hasn't it? I think it's just done exactly what we wanted. PNG is a 3-week buy stop. PNG is going to go to 160. It'll go to 162. I love the take profit of 167, and then it will go above 180. PNG.
Demo trade only.
EQIX.
I am not a financial advisor.
EQIX. 3-week buy stop. Take profit 1, $806. Take profit 2, $832. Take profit 3, $862. It will be going to $894.40. and then eventually over 1,000.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
JHX. Yeah, 3-month buy stop. JHX will be going to, follow it down, by the way, $21, $24, $28. Favorite take profit of $30. Then it will go above $40. JHX. Here's our favorite, ED. ED. We have a 12-hour sell. Let's see what happened with ED. Oh, yep. There it is. ED went down. ED went down to the 12-hour blue line and touched, as was called out, just so we're clear, because some of you can't understand my words, so read what I wrote. On 8/28, it was a 12-hour sell stop. See it? Demo sell, weekly buy stop. Take profit 106. So let's see what my take profit of 106, 101. Yeah, love that. I'm 100% accurate. I confirm what I said.
Demo trade only.
EUR
I am
USD.
not a financial advisor.
EUR USD. Someone likes me to go all the way down at it, so I will. Oh, that sounded interesting. Let's go here. 1 minute buy. What is this going on here? Sell. To the 30-second. 1 minute, 2 minute, 2 minute buy. No, buy. 2 minute buy, 5 minute buy, 5 minute buy. Sell. Sell stop EUR USD to 1.16945. 12-hour buy. Come on. No, I don't have time for this shit. 12 minutes. Sorry, that was 12 minutes. 1 hour. Nope, that's a buy. 7. 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour, 4-hour buy stop. 1.17244 EUR USD. 1.17723. Let's go back up to what matters. This is a daily, weekly buy towards the blue. I don't know if we're going to hit the blue line. EUR USD will be going back to 1.17580. Then it will go to 1.18227. Then it will go to 1.192222. And then it'll go 1.20. And that's EUR USD.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
You on it today, Coach, says Andrew Frejo. That's my running joke these days, Andrew. All right. Now, does anybody else have any other symbols they want me to call? I will gladly do it. Gladly call any symbols you guys want now, not in the middle of my call out. So I got to not do that. That puts Kim in a bad position. I don't like doing that to Kim. Come on, peeps. Any other symbols you guys want me to call out? Any other symbols you guys want me to call out? Any other symbols you guys want me to call out? Any other symbols? Look at this shit right here. Man, just keep taking fucking money. Enter off the orange line. Enter off the orange line. Enter off the orange line. Fuck these cheating ass bastards, which you guys used to call consolidation. Whatever. All right. If not, I'm going to robot land. Nothing on TikTok. Good morning, TikTokers. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Welcome to the channel. Good morning, the Griffey, Lazarus, Old School, Geo, Andrew, Roy, Azar. Welcome to the channel, DD21. Good morning to you, and good morning to Change My Life. Halfman, good morning, Halfman. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back. It's my time. Joe Biga, welcome back to the channel. User 6240, welcome back to the channel. Shepherd, welcome to the channel. CS777. Good morning, Sog and Ryan Marcus and Umar Run and Larry. God bless you, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Life strategies for you. Welcome to the channel. Tori Trades. Hey, Tori, welcome to the channel. Tori Trades, like your name, TT. Eddie Botello, welcome to the channel. Taya Vika, I'm slotting your name. Tasia Vika, I'll call you TV. Good morning, TV. Sorry to slaughter your name. Good morning, Chris Torres. Welcome to the channel. Quasar and Scalper. If you guys have any questions, speak up. There you are. Good morning, Halfman. Can you look at UP, please? What's up, Kirk? Absolutely, I can. I can trade any symbol that I can chart. I'll be more than do that for you. Wheels Up Experience. What the hell is that? Whoa. Who is this? Kirk. What is Wheels Up Experience? What on earth is Wheels Up? Oh, shit. Oh. Hold on. Hold your horses. What is Wheels Up Experience? I've never heard of such in my life. Oh my God, there's so many different stocks out there. Let's see. Wheels Up Experience? What do they do? What does Wheels Up Experience do in this world? I mean, what? Crash. Welcome to Money Talk. Listen to the Money Talk. That should be our little theme song, huh? A fraction airline. What is a fraction airline, Kirk? Wheels up. I get it. Oh, so they're like for private charters? Oh, interesting. Buy stop to the 1 minute blue line. What the hell is this? They jerked up like this? $2.27, 2 minute buy stop. Buy stop to the 3 minute blue line, $2.36. I am on the right fucking thing, right? Yeah, up. Okay. 15 minute. This looks like a shitty little thing. I don't know what this thing is. I'm sure you and Bree will use them soon. We have royalty ahead. Tori Trades is famous YouTuber. Oh, look up Tori Trades. Tori, just shoot me a direct message and we'll work something out so you can actually get with my system clearly. All right, 30 minute up. It sounds like a funny name to me for some reason, up. Sell stop, got to call it 30 minute sell stop. Where's she going to? Yeah. Let me see right here again. 30 minute sell stop to the 15 minute blue line, $2.22. 12 hour. Interesting. 10 hour. Interesting. 7 hour. 7 hour buy stop, 7 hour 12 buy stop. This is a trade I would take on up. It will be going back to $2. Look how shitty this is. $2.49, $2.86, $3.31. Yeah, see, this is just shit. To be honest with you, every one of these other Litecoin is by far superior to this up. I wouldn't trade this shit thing. I just wouldn't. You guys do what you want. You're all fine. You're adults. I'm just lowly nobody. I would absolutely look into trading Target before then, Nike before then, Target before then, CVS. Hell, I'd take L before then, Verizon before that up. SMCI, am I clear? PFE, Starbucks is better. Flow has to still go down a little bit more. Oxy, TM, it's already kind of closed. ASML, I would take AT&T, it's already closed. These are already closed. I would take any one of those. Amazon, any 30-minute buy stop. Netflix, a little too high. I would take NVIDIA over that. J&J, I'm just going to go back to 181 again. Don't forget now, let's be clear on this. I don't want you guys to be misunderstood. You're looking at 100% accurate callouts. Since Bitcoin was $26,500, it's still going to go to a record high now. Bitcoin is a closed trade, meaning I've finished what I needed to get. It's as high as I can call it, and I'm still going to make those calls for you because I love you all, but it's still as high as it can be. Ethereum's the same way. It's going to go back to over 5,000. XRP will go back to its record high. XLM will go back to where I told you. Amazon's also closed, been called out correctly since $91. Netflix has been called out forever, and it's too high. I wouldn't trade Netflix anymore. NVIDIA is also a closed trade. J&J made thousands and thousands of dollars on those options. I love J&J. It's still good, but it's at the top. I made 100% accurate callouts for the last year on that. Nothing more I can do with it other than tell you to get it because it's great. AMD, it's been calling out. Costco's going back to 1,100, also a closed trade. Let's see, Costco. McDonald's, been calling out McDonald's. You know that forever since 11.5. Down here is when I called it. There it is up there. You can go back to any one of my lives. I have thousands of lives. Anything I'm telling you right now, you can go back to my channel right here and go look. You'll see that there has been call out after call out after call out. I have 1,000 videos. Actually, I have over 2,000 videos. Every one of them live that are done live like this. Every one of these have actual call outs of every trade I'm talking about. So YouTube tracks my trades. I have a Discord where, thank God, Kim the Candelator, tracks every one of my trades manually right here. And then we have a trade tracker that actually tracks my trades computerized. And that's what this thing is right here. So every one of my trades, and if anyone here would like to join that, including whoever that person was, Tori Trades, if Tori Trade would like to track his or hers trades, they can give me their order of operations. The great Keith Palmer can code it in, and we'll track every one of their trades just like I do to see if every one of their closed trades, demo trades only, and open trades are making money or they're not. All of my trades are always green, especially on these. You cannot miss on these 1 month, 3 month, 6 month trades. It's like taking candy from a baby. It's so fucking easy. But yes, there is a trade tracker. It's open to any trader out there that wants me to track their trades for them. We can track their last 20 closed trades and 10 open trades and see if they're making money on their trades or not. And that's open to any trader, anytime. You might have to pay a couple $100, but Keith will code it over for you, and then we'll get your order of operations in, and then we'll see if your trades are accurate or not. There's mine. All right. Now, so yeah, I have about 25 closed trades, and these are open trades. FedEx is still fantastic. P&G is a buy. EQIX is a buy. JHX is a buy. ED is going to go down, and then it's a buy. I just do this as a joke. All right, where we at? Don't care. Verizon's a buy. L's a buy. SMCI still a buy. PFE's a buy. Starbucks a buy. CVS is still a buy. Target is fantastic. Nike is fantastic. Litecoin is going to go through the roof. Litecoin is your new. Hold on. Let me get back over here. Litecoin is your new XRP. Litecoin is going to go through the roof. It will not stop. It'll go exactly where I told you it was. It will do everything I just said it will do, and that is called Litecoin. You saw plenty of time for Litecoin. Litecoin, I was recommending at $103, and now it's at $114, and it will go back up to $140, and then it will be going to $185. That's fact, Jack. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Then Litecoin will be going past 270, and then it'll go over 400. Just like I called out Ethereum back here just a little bit ago, back in April when I was calling out Ethereum for you guys right here. I told you what Ethereum was going to do when it was right. If you have my system, you'd have got in right down here at about 1700. And then, of course, it rose up to here. It's not done going up. It's going to go up past $5,000, although, quite frankly, that's $4,985 is fucking close enough. All right? Does anybody else have any? What's up, Caleb? Good morning, Caleb. You're welcome, Kirk. What's up, Ken Rose? Good morning, Ken. Does anybody have any questions on TikTok or YouTube? Ask away if you do. I'll answer any questions. I'll answer questions on my system. Does anybody want to learn how my system works? Step by step, easy, made for beginners. I have 30 years plus trading experience. You need no trading experience. Matter of fact, I think, what's his face here this morning? He's been kind of quiet. What's his face? He never had any experience. He never traded a day in his life. Morning, Eric Carr. We will be trading through market open. We just nailed PPI and crushed it into ground. Yeah, anybody have any questions, though, speak up, ask. I trade all the way down to the 1 second charts. Yes, you can make sense of 1 second charts. Yeah, you can. Yeah. You can go all the way down here. Boop. Buy stop to the 1 second blue line. Here it goes right now, actually. Look, there it is. 1 second, boom. 1 second buy stop. There you go. 1 second buy stop to the blue. There you go. NQ1 will go right back to us. The SPX. Please be under. Oh, fuck. That was free money. Whoa. Here I am rambling. We need to make some fucking money. Oh, come on. Really? Ah, fuck. We missed the 1 second buy. Oh, man. Fuck. Yes, the system works on 1 second charts. Yes, the system works on 5 second charts. Yes, the system works on 10-second buys. Yes, the system works on the 15-second buys. Matter of fact, let's go right here and start putting in some of these alerts. You can see exactly where I'm putting in my take profits. Yes, you can make enough money on a 1 second trade to do it, especially if you're trading US 30. You can make a shit ton of money on that. You'll be hearing these dings go off very shortly here. Ding, 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 ding. Oh my God. Free money, NAS, 15-second buy. Free money buy, NAS. Free money buy, NQ1. Free money buy stop on both of those. Is it going to hook? We don't have time yet. Let me see up here on the 30-second. 30-second. Not yet. Give it a little time. 1 minute. Just crossed. Here you go. 1 minute buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green. Buy stop. That's where it's going to. Take your time on that. No rush. We're going to see it go here. You do have free money on NQ1 and NAS, meaning other ones have already done it. Whatever one does, the other one lags and does it. There you go. Great morning, Dadbot and Hot Rods. Good morning to you. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and X, and Facebook Live. We just got done doing PPI and crushed it into the ground. We caught every pip humanly possible when that went up. We're now waiting for this 1 minute buy to come around and come back up. Oh, it's going to go. Oh, fuck yeah. SPX is hit to take profit. ES1 and hit is take profit. That's the orange line there for some of you that are new here. You still have time. There you go. Told you. There she blows. Woo! Told you. Told you before it happened. There you go. Right to that. Oh, I told you. There's boom. Told you right there. Boom. That's where it was going to. Told you. You're welcome. There's all your alerts for those of you on TikTok that can't see them popping up. Told you it was about to blow. Told you. Oh my God. This is getting too easy at this point. This is getting so fun. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Who called that out? Sevens and yeses and thank Gods for everybody out there. Sevens and yeses and thank you, God, for everybody out there. You just saw that trade transpire live. I told you, oh, pink cross blue, it's going to blow. I saw ES1 already go up. SPX already go up. All these go up at the same. By the way, US 30 and YM1 also made money. You're looking at a 1 minute buy stop to that orange line, to that orange line. SPX and ES1 had already done it. Say thank you, God, and yeses and sevens out there. Thank you, God, yeses and sevens out there. There you go, half man. Anybody here that's on TikTok that's not throwing up sevens and yeses and thank you, gods. I just did this trade live. I don't care who's ever here watching me. Learn from this. It's not too late for you to learn how to actually trade, no matter how much experience you have. This is the correct way to trade. This is the only fucking way to trade. There you go. Solace, yes, yes. Nope, I need way more yeses and thank gods. I need way more yeses and thank gods than 62 people, or I'm leaving YouTube. Let me be clear. Let me be as clear as I can talk. If I don't see way more thumbs up and if I don't see way more yeses and thank gods, I'm out the fucking door and I'm not trading open with you. Let me be clear. Now, you better be thanking God. That's better. Ken, thank you, Ken. Grant, George, Sam, that's better. Kevin O'Connell, Ryan, there you go. Still not enough. Should I stay? Oh, here, Piggy, Piggy. What's up here, Piggy, Piggy? I'm debating whether I'm staying on YouTube or not. I guess I'll stay. We're almost open. Give me a break. Name another fucking trader that is telling you what's going to happen before it happens, drawing it out, pointing to the line it's going to, telling you when it's going to go up, and it goes up right when he says it. Tell me another fucking trader doing that. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah. See it? There you go. Listen to it. Get out of here. Don't appreciate me, but thank you. Appreciate God. I give Jesus all the credit. Morning kid duties. Look at it go up. 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 Boom, 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 boom. Correct, 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 correct. No one else is trading on the 15-second, 5-second, 1 minute charts. The fuck out of here. Yeah, my system is made for beginners. Let me show you how this trade transpired. How much time do I have? I have a little time. Watch right here. This is all you need to know on how to trade my system. We have Half Man here, okay? Half Man is on TikTok. Half Man is red. Half Man is going down, okay? He's trying to go down. This is the equivalent of Half Man right here. This is the bullshit detector. The trade was trying to go down. He is trying to go down. That's the bullshit detector. 93% of all traders would fall for that, saying it's going to go down. My system detects the bullshit. So while he was saying he was going to go down, Half Man was trying to go down, below him, there was 3 people. Oh, get the fuck out of here, TikTok. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah. Wait till you're banned, TikTok. Your day of reckoning is coming. You got to quit doing what you're doing. You got to do better, TikTok. I swear to God. Making me waste my time. Oh, you're restricting me. Fuck out of here. But I'm trying to help every person out there make fucking money. They restrict me. Get the fuck out of here. Look, this is how easy it is to trade. Fuck RSI. Fuck support and resistance. Fuck price earnings. Fuck look to the left. Fuck volume. Fuck VWAP. It's all fucking wrong. They taught us wrong. Green means up in my system. Red means down. There's 3 green lines. Above you, you're going to see green. Above that, you're going to see green. Even the candles are green, okay? So, Halfman was trying to go down. Below him was persistent, right here, real direction bar number 3, MC, and George. All 3 of these people were pushing up. Let's not forget, maybe if I can find it. Nope, let me go over here, hold on. Give me just 1 second to pull up our little cartoon. It's so cute, I love this thing. Let's go over here. Let's go over to pictures. Okay. Now, this is the equivalent. Watch what you're about to see, because some of you need this visual right here. We made this up for the kids who are learning the system, but it works perfectly fine. It's an amazing little video right here. All right. So what you're witnessing is this right here. You're going to see the equivalent of Halfman trying to go down to get a gold coin off the bottom of the pool. So watch. The red is here. The swim trunks on the bottom of this person right here is trying to swim down to the bottom of the pool. This is Halfman trying to go down. 3 real direction bars come up underneath him. They push up. These 4 other ones are over here. They're above him. They pull him up. This trade couldn't go down. Halfman couldn't go down to the bottom of the pool. The trade couldn't go down, and it went up. So watch this on full screen so you can get the full gist of it. Watch this and see how cool this is. He's trying to swim down. Halfman is trying to swim down to the bottom of the pool to get this coin. He can't do it because he's met with these 3 indicators telling me it's going to go up. There's 3 more. That's got to hurt him. There's 3 more pulling up. See the green shorts on those? Come up. The trade comes up. It cannot go down, did not go down, and would not go down. The same exact setup. Does everybody get that analogy? 7s if you get that analogies. Okay? You watch. This is called out, drawn out, arrowed out, told you where it's going to go before it did you to enter off this orange line. But that's how you move the trade. That's how you take the trade. Does that make sense to everybody on TikTok? Yes or no? Does that make sense to everybody on YouTube? Yes or no? Yeah, I played the brief song this morning. I did. I'll play it again. All right, while I'm asking the questions, did that analogy make sense to everybody? Yes or no? Larry had no trading experience, by the way, too. All right, I'm just going to play the brief song one time. Here it is. Here it is, peeps. We got good jams. For some of you who don't know what it's talking about in this song in the beginning, and I'll play it again, is that I used to own 3 gyms. One of the gyms I opened up in Noonan, Georgia failed miserably. It brought down my other 2 gyms. I was a self-made millionaire. I grew up poor by age 40. I had lost everything by 43, and I was filing for bankruptcy. Out of that birthed the safety trade system. So you guys ought to be thankful to God that I went bankrupt. Out of that, I had to find a way to make money. My youngest child has epilepsy. I wouldn't stand for that child, my young son, to have to work a 3rd shift job because they couldn't sleep because of Lamictal. So then I developed a safety trade system to have financial support for my beautiful wife, Bree, because she stayed believing me no matter what, and for my youngest child so that he would be able to trade and do whatever he wants to do and not have to work a 3rd shift job. So out of my bankruptcy, what this is talking about, rose up My beautiful wife believing in me, which kept me going.
That's what money, blood suckers show no mercy. Do you know the feeling of no hope? World weight crushing down on your shoulders, family gone, friends gone.
Everyone stopped believing in me.
But the one that believed was my reason why. She stayed when they all walked away. She was the light in the dark. My reason it was free life. It was free. My hope it was free. So now
Morning, Julius.
see what she means to me. She set me free. Now the world will witness me. Precious, I want the world to know what you mean to me. No matter what I want, who be loved.
Precious with all his heart.
Like a work of art. Together they shine like stars on high. And love will never die.
And that is, oh, get the fuck out of here. TikTok, go appeal yourselves. Fucking screw loose. It was Bree. It was Bree. Yeah, TikTok can't stand the truth coming out. They can't stand that I'm out here helping y'all make money every morning. They can't stand the fact that you're about to make money at open. It was Bree. It was Bree. Wasn't LinkedIn said behind every strong man, strong woman? Someone said that, and that's 100% true. I would have given if my wife wasn't behind me. That's it's amen, Andrew. Kev, that's a great why, but I don't need to tell you. Solace, if you made 100 pips this morning, don't be greedy and overtrade. 100% yes. Absolutely, you're right, Solace Soul. Be rich in a year. Oh, one thing is not like the other. One of these things. Yeah, we took the batteries out of that thing. We need her to redo that. That is correct. We really need that to be redone. All right, right now you're seeing the pullback right here. So this is going to form a buy stop at market open. This is our logo right there. It's going to come down like this. It's going to hook and do that. So right now we're going to wait for this to come down for market open in just a few minutes. So let me bop out of here. We got to go back to that. We'll trade market open if there's a trade to be had. Right now we need the pullback to happen before market open. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to look for a 10-second, maybe a 15-second buy stop. Yes, all these are all these buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. Buy stop right here. Just take it right here to this take profit there like that. Yeah, that's gonna, oh, beautiful. Yeah, we need this to drop way more down for us to get in a good entry, but nonetheless, I'll put this right here for you guys. You can hear the dings later on. We'll see a little pullback, and then we're gonna see up, hopefully a nice big push up for market open. I wanna see a pull back though. We need it to come down again. This is still too high. Looks like SPX and ES1 are shaping up. Yes, we trade all these symbols as one. I know it's unheard of. I know a lot of you just barely can trade one symbol at once, but we trade all 6 indices, YM1, US30, NAS, NQ1, SPX, and ES1, all as one unit, one symbol. One of these, yeah, no, I can't sing, save my life. She's so cute. One of these things is not like the other. One of these things doesn't belong. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Can you tell me which one by the end of this song? One of these things is not like the, I think I'm going to stay here on a 10-second. All right, let's stay right about here. Let's hope we see some nice pullback. We ain't going to see it. It's going to jump up right now. Fuck! Oh, there you go. You're in the money again. Shit. From my mouth to God's ears to your pocketbook. Wow. How was that for a correct call? We need SPX and ES1 to drop. That's what we need. And for those of you who don't think that's a lot of money that you just saw right there, that was 8 pips. So you'd have got in and out with good money. We need this to come down. Okay, this is what we need to see before market open. Somewhere along the way, We have to have this pull down. We need this to come back down like this and then do the hook up. If it doesn't do that, it looks like we might get that out of ES1 and SPX. We need this pull down though first. I can't get you back in on NAS until that happens. Here we go. Let's do it again. Follow it down. Follow this down. Follow ES1 SPX down. Gorgeous. Buy stop. NAS NQ1. Buy stop. SPX ES1. Let it fall further. I want it to come down further. Please come. It's got to come down further. It can't just do that little bit. It's got to go down more. Go down. Go. There you go. Go down. Go down. Follow it down. Follow. You're in the. There we go. NAS is dropping. There you go. Drop like a motherfucking rock. There we go. Gorgeous. Let me see. To the 1 second. To the 5 second blue line. To the 5 second blue line. 5 second buy stop. All indices. 5 second buy stop. Market open in less than 2 minutes. Do not play market open. Woo! We're going to be making some money. Follow NAS. I like NAS and NQ1 better than SPX. Yeah. Sell stop to the 5 second blue line. It would never do a sell on any indices. Sell stop towards the 5. This is that pullback I wanted. Here we go. Here we go. Let's put on some music while we're waiting here. Come on. Let's put on, where's my music? Wait, I want to put on a happy song. There we go. Uh-oh. 1 minute to market open. 1 minute to market open. Here we go. Let that drop go to the 5 second, then enter the trade. 5 second drop down. Let's go. You haven't got the sniper. There we go. Look at it go down. There's our pull down. Less than a minute. Do not play market open.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Demo trade only. I'm not a financial advisor. Let's go. Market open. Market open. Let's roll. Let's go. There's the pull down. There's your pull down. Nice. Touchdown to the 5 second blue line. Touchdown. Be ready for your entries. Let it go down. Let it go down. There you go. That's that pullback we needed. Buy stop. Buy stop. SPX 500. Buy stop NAS. Take it down. Take it down. Let it go down. The further it goes down, the more money we make on the way back up, bitches. Oh my God. This is nice. This is nice. Buy stop. Buy stop. NQ1. Take it down. Follow it down. 5 minute buy stop. NAS. 5 minute buy stop. NQ1. Here we go. Got the buck. You haven't got the sniper. I'll stay on for a minute. Buy stop. Buy stop. Buy stop. ES1. SPX. In the money on your SPX. In the money on your ES1 buy. You still have time on NQ1. There you go. There you go. Take your money and run. You don't have to stay in these trades. It's over. It's over. There you go. There's our pull down. There's our pull down. In the money on US 30. In the money on YM1. You still have time for NAS and NQ1 for your buy stop. There's your US 30 in the money. You see the alert popping up. If you don't get the full pull back up by 10:30 this morning, it'll happen by 2:30 this afternoon. They always do it. It's always off a 4-hour candle.
Yo, I trade anyone, let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Yeah, SPX, you know it's 30 low. You haven't got the block, you haven't got the sniper, you haven't got
Technically, we're in a 2-minute buy stop. Just be patient. That is so fun. If you guys can't have fun trading, why are you trading? Buy stop US 32 minute again. Buy stop US 32 minute. And YM1 buy stop. Let me see. I can't see it. There we go. 45,706. I'd rather Kim don't write that down. SPX 2-minute buy stop. You're in the money. You still have time on NAS and NQ1 for your buys. You can clearly see that you're in the money off of your ES1 and SPX right there. You can close down those trades. You don't need to stay in those trades. Let the runner run. Leave one open if you want. Just let it take its time. I don't know if Keith wants to talk this morning. Does anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any questions? You're in the money on SPX and ES1. I'm going to stay on for a minute. You're in the money on ES1 and SPX. Okay. You're in great money on ES1 and SPX. On your 2-minute buy, you still have time. You're in good money, very good money on NQ1 and NAS 100. You still have time on US 30 and YM1. SPX and ES1 are off the chart. All take profits have been hit. Take profit 1, 2, and 3. You have a little bit more time for your take profit here. Sam, study his videos, then you'll know for yourself. Yard Dog jumping in to say hello. Can't wait for the replay on today's video. See you guys. Nice, Yard Dog. Good morning, Yard Dog. Thank you. US 30 dropping like a rock. No. That was the pullback we needed. That is not a sell. Targets for NQ1. Gold. You want me to look at gold? Jesus Blanco. I can look at gold. Okay. Let's look at gold. You still have time for your buy stops on NAS and NQ1. You're in the money. Great on SPX ES1. It's a nice little morning. All right, let's see gold. All right. Gold. Let's see what we got on gold. All right. Oh, let's get rid of that. Sorry. Gold. 2-hour buy. 1-hour buy stop. Gold did exactly as expected. What'd you want gold to do? 30-minute buy. This is called out this morning. Yeah, to hit its 30-minute take profit right here. Is it going to go up any higher than that? I mean, it did a 30-minute perfect buy. 30-minute perfect buy stop on gold. Take any buy stop on you go, I told you where gold was going. It'll go back up to $3,671.53. The buck. Haven't got the sniper. All right, I think I'm good. Any questions before I go on TikTok? Any questions before I go on TikTok? I'm going to head over to YouTube for a minute. Thank you all on TikTok. God bless you all. Everybody have a great morning. I will be on later today, this evening. God bless you all. Everyone have a great, wonderful day. Talk to y'all later. All right, guys. YouTubers, any questions before I go? It's over. Any questions on TikTok? That was fun. What a fun morning. All right. Thank you all on TikTok. Thank you on YouTube. I'm going to leave you with the thought of a 2-minute buy stop. Do what you want with that. 2-minute buy stop, all indices. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Nice. Plenty of time to do it too, by the way.